Imagine a world ravaged by hurricane-force winds, where the atmosphere howls relentlessly, and where the day lasts a mere 6 hours. Temperatures swing violently, shifting from scorching heat to a bitter, icy cold with startling frequency. This nightmarish vision isn't a scene from a dystopian sci-fi movie. It's what our planet could have become had the moon never existed. Hovering silently above us at nearly 250,000 miles, the moon, a massive sphere of rock and dust measuring more than 2,100 miles in diameter, has quietly shaped our world in profound ways. Despite being lifeless, barren, and inhospitable, with surface temperatures soaring to 250 degrees and plummeting to 380 degrees, it is the second brightest object in the night sky. Its gravity is 1/6 that of Earth, and its dry, crater-scarred terrain features mountains soaring over 16,000 feet high. No liquid water has ever been found on its surface. Yet, in human culture, the moon has always held a sense of mystery and allure, symbolizing romance, transformation, and the supernatural. Throughout the solar system, Earth is not unique in having a moon. In fact, over 135 moons orbit the planets around us, with Saturn boasting the most, currently recorded at 46. But our own moon stands out in both size and impact. Besides Earth, there are at least 10 other mysterious objects orbiting our planet. 5 are temporary asteroids caught in Earth's gravitational embrace, and 4 are likely remnants from past space missions, possibly parts of the Apollo 12 rocket. The 10th and largest, of course, is our moon, which has orbited Earth since long before humans existed. Despite its long-standing presence in our skies, we knew very little about the moon's origins until the 20th century. For centuries, its creation remained one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. Several theories emerged to explain its existence. One suggested that the moon might simply be a wandering asteroid or planet that had been captured by Earth's gravitational pull. Another theory proposed that Earth and moon formed together, side by side. A more explosive theory emerged. The moon was born out of a colossal collision between a young Earth and another planetary body. It wasn't until the Apollo missions that real clues began to emerge. Between 1969 and 1972, 12 astronauts landed on the moon as part of 6 separate missions. They brought back not just unforgettable footage and national pride, but actual lunar rock samples, precious relics holding secrets from the dawn of the solar system. The rocks revealed a striking similarity to Earth's own geological materials, yet they were noticeably lacking in iron content. This subtle but significant difference hinted at an explosive origin. The moon was likely formed by a massive impact. To explore this idea, we travel back more than 4.5 billion years, to a chaotic time when the solar system was young and volatile. During this era, the inner solar system contained nearly twice as many planetary bodies as it does today. One of them was a Mars-sized planet known as Theia, named after the mythical Greek goddess who mothered the moon. Theia's trajectory gradually aligned with that of the young Earth, setting the stage for an apocalyptic collision. As Theia approached, it would have grown in the sky, first appearing as a bright star, then a looming planet, and finally a terrifying presence that filled the entire horizon. The impending impact would unleash forces unimaginable to the human mind. Theia, 4,000 miles in diameter and traveling at 25,000 miles per hour, 20 times faster than a supersonic jet, would slam into Earth with the force of billions of megaton bombs. This wasn't a direct hit. It was a glancing blow, a cataclysmic brush that ripped away massive chunks of Earth's crust, ejecting iron-poor surface rock into space. Much of this material fell back to Earth, but some of it escaped and just far enough to become trapped in orbit. What followed was a process known as accretion. Dust and rock fragments collided, fused, and gradually gathered into clumps. These clumps combined under mutual gravitational attraction, until they formed a red-hot ball of molten rock. Within just 100 years, this ball cooled and solidified, becoming the Moon. At the time of its formation, the Moon was only 17,000 miles away, appearing 15 times larger in the sky than it does today. Its violent birth sent it spinning outward in a gradual journey that would last billions of years. Today, it continues to drift away at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, a fact confirmed by astronauts in 1969, who placed an 18-inch reflective plate on the lunar surface, allowing scientists to precisely measure the distance using lasers.